I enjoy a productive day. So we've got 4 orders, 31 degrees today. Lovely jubbly. Why not? I love a bargain. Bargains make me happy. She looks so comfy. 3, 2, 1. Let there be light. Let's get crack-a-lacking. Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. I've got quite a few things to get done today, so I thought I would do a little complete my to-do list with me. I'm up bright and breezy this morning to walk Sunny because it's going to be 31 degrees today. We're having a heat wave in the UK right now, so walking the dog early in the morning and late at night, which is what we're doing right now, and then I'm going to get back, have breakfast and start my day. I'm so hungry already. Here's Sunny this morning. We're down at the river. It's a really nice day already, but it's getting warm, so we need to hurry up with our walk and get home. Just got back, and stop it right now. Why have I never heard of these before? Chocolate hazelnut Cocoa Pops. Picked them up in Sainsbury's yesterday, didn't I? Absolutely buzzing to try these. God, I don't know how to treat myself sometimes, you know. It might be a little bit hot, isn't it, puppy? Is it a little bit hot today? Look at the sleepy face on it. Apologies if you can hear the wind. I've got my window wide open, obviously, because it is so warm. But I thought I'd do a little rundown with you of my to-do list. So everything that I've got to do today / tomorrow, we'll see how I get on. So the main thing is tonight I have a product launch with Sunnyside. So I have 2 new blanket designs. Here's a little picture. These are launching tonight on the website. I've already put them on the website, written the description, done the pictures and everything like that. I've just got to double check all of that today. Then I have a little job to film, which you will see in a little while. I've got to edit and send that job off today. I need to take some product photos of some collars, which I've got in my office. I want to take a little Instagram pic for my personal Insta today, just because I've been absolutely rubbish at posting on there lately. I want to whiten my teeth. I've got a wedding on Saturday, so I want to whiten them today and then maybe again on Friday, although I feel like that's probably really bad for my teeth, so not too sure if I'll get around to doing it twice. I need to send my friend's little boy's birthday present off today. Also got to send a giveaway winner prize from Sunnyside. That'll all be in the office section a bit later on. I'm going to head up there, pack some orders, all that jazz. I think I've got 4 orders to pack from last night. The blanket launch is at 6 PM tonight, so I need to set them live at 6 o'clock. If I get a chance, I'd quite like to film a couple of reels for the Sunnyside Instagram page. And tomorrow I'm getting my nails done at 10:30. So all of those things are the things that I've got planned for the next couple of days. Quite a lot on the list, and some of them aren't short jobs. We better crack on. You're gonna help me. We're gonna tick this list off together. Let's get crack-a-lacking. No time like the present. First things first, I'm gonna double check over the new blankets, just for any typos, making sure the pictures look all good, making sure they're in the correct collections on the website. There are only 2 products this time, so this shouldn't take me too long. Maybe 10 minutes. I'm going to make a quick banner for the website. So as you can see on the home page here, I've currently got the brand new summer collection. This is for harnesses and things like that. I'm going to make one for the 2 new blankets. I've got a really nice picture that I'm happy with of them. This wasn't on my list for the day, but if I get an idea in my head, I've got to do it, so it's happening. I've done a little bit of shopping on the online, haven't I? Not today, the other day. This dress, by the way, was in, I think it was my previous vlog, in the Misguided haul. Proper bargain that, and I think it's my new favourite dress. I've worn it a couple of times already. Anyway, got this jacket from Boohoo this time. I've been looking for a casual jacket that's not a puffer coat, that's not a leather jacket, and they're actually surprisingly hard to find, but this one from Boohoo, I actually really like it. Only thing is, it feels a little bit itchy, you know when it's that itchy kind of wool. So if anyone's got any tips of what I can do, if I soak it in fabric conditioner, will that help or not? Do I need to shave it? That seems excessive. Please let me know if you have any advice on this jacket. Thank you very much. It's also Prime Day today and tomorrow, so you know your gal's about to have a look for some deals. Do I need anything? No, I actually don't at all. Do I want to buy something because it's a bargain? yeah, why not? I love a bargains make me happy, cheaper than therapy. I haven't got this on the list, but I've spent the past probably 40 minutes editing the vlog up to this point, and the next job on my list is to film the job of the day. So are we ready? Strap in. They're a brand I work with regularly. I look forward to doing it every single month as well. So the sponsor for this week's vlog is the lovely team over at Surfshark. And if you haven't heard of Surfshark, let me enlighten you. Surfshark is a VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network. It is a browser extension. You can use it on your laptop, your phone, multiple devices, even your TV. And in a nutshell, it is an underground tunnel to the internet. So when you're doing your online shopping, whether it's a little boohoo jacket or Amazon Prime Day, Surfshark will keep you, your information and your bank details safe online. I am ashamed to say, but in the past I've had my card cloned way too many times, and it is such a faff having to get a new bank card. But with the help of Surfshark, it protects all your information by giving you a new IP address. When you download Surfshark on your browser extension, I use it with Google Chrome, you can connect to a new IP address anywhere around the world. And not only will it protect you no matter where you're connected to, you can also use the internet as if you're in that country. So if you're connected to Germany, you can access German Netflix. It is absolutely great being able to connect to American Netflix, especially on my TV. But for me, the most important feature of Surfshark is the safety feature and keeping you safe online. Your actual IP address stays hidden, so the hackers can't access your IP address, which is pretty much the portal between you and them. And they must just be sitting there their end thinking, what on earth? Where is this girl? What's she doing? How do I access her bank details? Sorry, hun. You're NFI, not flipping invited. Anyway, if you are shopping online, you should be using a VPN. So I will leave a link to Surfshark in the description down below. And as always, the lovely team have got an incredible deal for you. So if you use the code FABULOUS, you will get 83% off and 3 months extra free. It works out to literally a few pounds a month, and it doesn't cost you your safety. You're welcome. Not to brag, but your gal's taken an Instagram picture, so hard day of work, honestly. I'm joking. That was sarcasm before the hate forums start. Anyway, little update on the list. I have now made the website banner, taken an Instagram pic and filmed the job. So I'm gonna go up to the office with Sunny. We're gonna go up together, pack some orders and tick off some more things. I enjoy a productive day, not gonna lie. Love a lazy day too. But doesn't it feel nice to tick off a list? I make a list every single week. The notes app in my phone is my best friend. Girl. There she goes. You love coming to the office, don't you? Yeah! And this is the main reason why we love the office on hot days. The aircon. Right, little Alfie's birthday present is here. Typical, as soon as I turn the camera on, my mum starts ringing me. Hello? I was about to say, little Alfie's birthday present is all ready to go. Not sure how impressed he's going to be at the fact that the bag is pink, but it's what's inside that counts. But I can officially tick send Alfie's present off my to-do list. They live in Bath, by the way, which is why I'm sending his present to him. Right, so we've got 4 orders and a giveaway winner to pack today. This is my next job, so this was on my list, the giveaway winner. Didn't put pack orders on my list because I do this pretty much every day anyway. Just part of my daily routine now, it's like breathing. Just kidding. I don't take it for granted as much as I do, just breathing air. The fact that I have orders to pack most days still baffles my mind. Today we've got 3 UK and 1 US. Whereabouts in the US? Clarksburg. Not gonna pretend I know where that is or have ever heard of that. And we're done. We're done, Sunny. Shall we go home? Look at her, look. She's like, no, I'm comfy here, Mum. Do you want to go home? In the garden? You are so lazy. I think I've got like heat rash on my face or something. I don't know, it wouldn't surprise me, it's been so hot today. Why is it raining? Okay, well that better stop in the next half an hour because this gal's going for a dog walk. I've just been sat here editing the vlog up to this point because I'm about to send it off for approval. Basically, when you do a little YouTube job, you film it, edit it, and send the first edit over to the brand. So the team over at Surfshark will hopefully watch it and go, yeah, lovely jubbly, thanks a lot, Han. Or they'll say, yeah, really good, but could you make these couple of changes? I make the changes, edit them, send them back again, but this is the first draft. So I've just finished editing it, it's exporting now, then I compress it, then I upload it on YouTube as a private video, and I send over the link to my management. My managers work until 5:30, it's 7:30 now, so I probably won't get a response tonight, but just for my own sanity, to tick it off my list, I always send it like late evening. They probably find it really irritating, but I do it anyway, because then it's one less thing to do tomorrow, you know? So within the next 5 minutes, we can give this a little ding. There we go.
Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh.
Another night, another HelloFresh. We had a really good one last night. What was it? Let me show you actually. This is one of the best HelloFreshes we've ever had, I think. Especially on a summer evening, it was so lovely. I would definitely be making this again. Tonight's HelloFresh, we have spicy tomato linguine. Looks yum, even though I actually don't like courgette, but I'll eat them in something like this. I'm really not that fussy with food. A little bit of feta cheese on top, a little bit of rocket. Lovely jubbly. Hello, right. Day 2 of getting my to-do list done. So this morning I had my nail appointment, so my nails are now done. That can be ticked off the list. It's the first time I've had my nails done for probably years, you know. I used to get acrylics pretty regularly, like I'd have them on and then I'd have them on for months and then get them taken off, but I got them off in I think like 2019 I want to say, and I haven't had them done since, not even gel painted, because I've just done them myself. But for my cousin's wedding this weekend, I really fancied having white tips and I can't do that myself, I'm literally so bad at it. So I got them done, got my acrylics back on, so they're all nice. I asked for an almond shape with white tips. I'm really happy with them. So nails are done. I'm now at the office. I've just packed the orders for the day. Here they are behind me. I had 6 today. So again, another thing that's not on my to-do list, but it's done. And now I only have a few things left on the list. Right, film a Sunnyside reel. That is the next thing I'm gonna do for the day. I think it's really important when you have a business to let your customers see the face behind the business and kind of build that relationship with them. I really think that makes a difference with driving sales if they know who they're buying from, where the product's coming from, even little things like showing my office. I think it's really nice for the customer to know where their order has been packed and who it's been packed by. And it's something I want to incorporate more on the Sunnyside Instagram page. I've got one reel filmed already, which is like meet the owners, me and Sunny. I just need to edit that and upload it. And I think I've made a little list of reels I want to film. I think today I'm going to film why it's called Sunnyside, because that might seem really random to some people if they don't watch my channel and they don't know me, but obviously my dog's called Sunny and she's here with me so she can feature. There she is. Oh, look at her, she looks so comfy. I've got the aircon on because it's another really hot day today. The aircon unit is just up here. She can feel it down here. What a little angel. I love her so much. I keep this little ring light tripod up here at the office specifically for filming. I often film like packing orders and things like that, but for my newfound love for reels, this is going to be really handy. 3, 2, 1. Let there be light. Right, let's do it. Hi, I'm Hannah, and today I thought I would answer the question, where did the name Sunnyside Co come from? Oh my goodness, it is boiling today. Am I dramatic? Yeah, probably. What is the temperature, I wonder? Okay, it says 26 degrees. It's definitely more. I promise you, the hair's gone up. That's how you know it's serious biz. Anyway, next thing on my list is to take some product photos of some collars. So this is part of the new collection, the Sage Daisies, and I just like to take some creative little product photos for the Instagram. Whenever I get a chance, every now and again, I'll find an example of a photo that I'm going to recreate, just to show all the different sizes of collars. Looks really sweet. Blimey neck. I look like I've hiked up Kilimanjaro, not done a to-do list. Why do I look so knackered, please? Anyway, the last thing is teeth whitening, and I'm about to put these on. I've got them right here, so this is proof. I'm going to tick this off. I know it's not done just yet, but it's going to be in 5 minutes. And that will be me complete. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for helping me get my to-do list done. It is actually really helpful because I'm holding myself accountable at the beginning of the video. And if there are any tasks that I don't really feel like doing, it's tough. You got to do them anyway, you can't let the people down. Let me know in the comments down below, has your week this week been a chilled one or a productive one? Do subscribe to see my future videos. But for now, thank you very much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely Sunday, and I'll see you again next week with another little video. Bye guys, love ya.